We'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We still remain in positive MACD, but we're approaching to negative MACD territory. We're resting right along the 50 moving average, this yellow line, at the price of $48.63. With the 4-hour chart, we are about to approach to positive MACD. As we extend out once more onto the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $48.90, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $50.55, and my stop loss is at $48.67. And as for the short position, my entry is at $51.72, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 50-day moving average, this yellow line. My sell target is at $49.14, and my stop loss is at $52.92. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 17% chance to climb between 0 to 3%. To the downside, it has a 67% chance to fall between 0 to 3%, and a 17% chance to fall between -3 to -6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.